Alright, so I got a 2012 Volkswagen Eos. I couldn't find any videos for this online, so I figured I'd make one. I am replacing the daytime running lights. What you do is you pop off this back panel. I got the little, got the cover off the fuse panel just because I thought it was easier, but it doesn't really matter. You pop off this panel, and deep in here, see there's a little thingy right here. See that little thingy down there? See that little thingy? So, what you do is you reach in, you grab it, and you just give it a little tug. And while you're doing that, so you just pull it straight up, like pull it straight back like this. And when you're doing that, you should be able to see you're moving. It's kind of like stuck in, so you got to give it kind of a little tug. And you should probably have the lights off when you're doing this, but there you go. Alright, so light comes out. And just hard to do with one hand. Just give this a little yank. Should come right out. There we go. And I'm replacing it with a brighter white. Not supposed to touch these with your bare hands. So do that. So it's in, you just gotta push it. So once you get the bulb in, pushed in all the way, you may or may not feel a little click when you push it in. You just put it back in there. You gotta kind of go down here and finagle it. Well, you can actually kind of see it through here. You can kind of see where you're going. It's tough to see. Pop it back in there, like so. Get a nice little push and you'll hear a click. And then, there you go. Pop your dust cover back on. Check with our keys. And voila. New daytime running lights. Simple, piece of cake.